cold in this shop right now. My hands are pretty torn up, but we got all of the clamp out over here and all of these guys right here in 3 hours exactly. So 12 to 3, it's a Saturday. I ended up taking last night off, and this is something I do want to stress before we wrap this video of day 4 for our 30 table build. If you're not in a good state of mind or think that you're gonna have productive workflow, you should definitely not go into a shop and build or to your job site. I like to work quickly, efficiently, safely, and with quality. And oftentimes, if I have a gut instinct where I'm not feeling it, I'm just gonna tap out right there. Instead of working for 6 hours, getting 3 hours of work done, I'd rather work for 3 hours today and get 6 hours of work done, like what just happened right now. And if you're running a crew, I definitely encourage you to talk to your crew about that as well. If you see someone who needs to tap out, just go home, take a break, even a half day, just send them home. You know, send them to go get lunch on you, and just take a break. So that includes yourself. You know, if you need to go get lunch, iced coffee, whatever it is that floats your boat, even if it's a nap, tap out, come back, hit it fresh. So yesterday was Friday, and I came into the shop, and I actually just ended up hanging out with Mesa's crew, catching up, and I went home, and I enjoyed my evening. So today's Saturday. This is day 4, wrapping up. As you can see, this shop is absolutely packed with projects right now, like to the brim. These guys are hustling really hard right now, and I love working in here, seeing all their productivity and progress. We're making a really good section of progress on this job. So where we stand right now is I actually have 42 blanks glued up right now in my sections. 41. So I need to do one more 16 by 40, which will then get rejoined. You'll plane it down, rejoin it, and then make the 42 by 30 tables. And that's gonna be tomorrow on Sunday. So we're gonna plane this big stack right here that's below me and finish our clamp outs hopefully by tomorrow evening. If I do a morning shift and an evening shift, we'll be really ahead on this, which leaves a whole lot of time for dimensioning and running them through the time saver wide belt sander. All right, guys, hope you've enjoyed this video. If you do me a huge favor, hammer down that like button, subscribe, comment if you want to see builds or you have questions on this build. I try and be as transparent of a builder as I can be. So comment, questions, concerns, anything, let me know. I will happily respond, and if you want tutorials on anything, let me know. I will start looking into creating videos based off requests. All right, guys, see ya.